Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create your own token on the TRC20 network. For this, we need Tron IDE and the Tron Link wallet, which is a browser extension. As you can see, I already have it installed at the top here. First, we need some balance in the wallet. You must have at least 800 TRX in your wallet. If you use less than that, the transaction will fail and you'll lose your money. So be careful with this. With 800 TRX, you can create around 50 to 70,000 USDT TRC20. Now let's open Tron IDE. This is basically the Tron version of Remix IDE. Here, we'll create a new file and you can name it whatever you want. After that, copy and paste the code provided in the description. The code is already ready to go. You don't need to change anything. Next, go to the compiler. Select version 0.51 and hit compile. Once you see the green check mark, it means the code compiled successfully. Then, in the environment section, choose Injected Tron Web, not JavaScript. Tron Link will pop up and you'll need to connect your wallet. Check your balance and click Connect. Done. Now we're ready to deploy the contract. You'll need to enter the contract name, and token symbol. For example, I'm using the name Tether and the symbol USDT. Once you click deploy, you'll be asked to sign the transaction. The commission is fixed at around $27. Wait a moment for the block to be mined and your contract will be created. After the contract is created, you can go to Tronscan to verify it. You'll see your contract address there. Now, we need to top it up with 800 TRX. Again, reminder, watch the video till the end before you try this yourself so you don't make any mistakes. Once topped up, those 800 TRX will give us between 50 and 70,000 USDT. To withdraw, go into the contract and select Transfer TRC20. Here, you'll paste your wallet address and the amount of tokens you want, let's say 60,000. Click Start, sign the transaction, and confirm. In just a short while, the tokens will appear in your wallet. You can also transfer from one wallet to another, just like a normal transaction. Just remember to keep some TRX aside for transaction fees, otherwise your transfers won't go through. One more thing. These Flash USDT tokens have a validity of 90 days. That means you can transfer and use them for about 3 months. They look exactly like real USDT. You can verify all the details on Tronscan. Everything shows up correctly. And that's it. That's how you create your own TRC20 token using Tron IDE and the Tron Link wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Telegram. I'll reply whenever I can.